Hey everyone, welcome back to another really fun drawing, and today we're gonna do something special. Today we are gonna be doing a folding surprise. That means we're gonna be folding our paper, and our theme today is Easter because it's almost Easter. And what's our favorite thing about Easter, Summer?
Chocolate eggs.
Chocolate eggs. Are you ready to draw your folding surprise?
Yes.
Right, the first thing we're gonna do is do our folding so you can follow our steps to see how we fold our paper. You ready?
Yes.
Okay, what do we need for our drawing as well? We got
Sharpies,
Sharpies.
paper, and alcohol markers.
so fast. Sharpies, paper, and alcohol markers, but you can always draw with whatever you like. Let's do our folding first.
Yeah.
Ready? Let's do it. Okay, Summer. So the first fold we're gonna do is to fold our paper in half. So we're gonna fold it straight, this top straight down. And if you lay it flat down on the bottom, like this, and then you gotta try match up the corners. So we slide the paper until the corners meet each other.
I don't know how to do that.
You got it, there you go. And then you push down and then meet the other corner. You got it. And I'm gonna squish this down for you. That's one fold done. I'm gonna do mine now. All right, and then the next fold, we're gonna take this paper, this part, and we're gonna fold it back towards the top. And we're gonna meet our corners again. That's it. Put it flat down on the surface, then it's easier to fold. There you go. Do you want to lay it down?
Yeah.
All right. So then, what's this? How we do it? We lay it down, match our corners, and then can you fold that piece in the middle? That's it.
And then we
All
do
right.
the same at the end.
And then we got one more. So we turn it over. That's it. And then fold it back.
I have it.
You got it. And now all our corners meet. If you put it flat down on the surface here, might be a little easier. Line it up, you got it. And then squeeze down. Yes, fantastic job. And now we've got our folded paper. That's it. There we go.
Nothing.
All right.
Nothing.
All right, let's put it down and I'll show you where we're going to start drawing our Easter folding surprise. And we're going to be drawing an Easter bunny popping out of a nice picnic basket. All right, so.
Like he sneaks into a picnic.
He sneaked into a picnic. Okay, so we are ready to do the first part of our drawing, and we're going to be drawing a picnic basket under this first fold. So on this line, we're going to draw a line from here. We can get ourselves a reference point. So we come in a little bit, do a little reference point. Yeah, that's perfect. And go to the outside and do another one. Yeah, that's good. And now let's draw a line across this fold. So just draw a straight line.
You can turn it around if you want. It can be more easier if you turn it around like me.
That's it. Good job. All right, I like it. All right, and now what we're going to do is we're going to fold this piece of paper back. And this is where we're going to draw our bunny with his ears sticking out of our basket. So we're going to draw two lines, kind of like a V shape coming out of our basket. So we're going to draw the first line. If you look for the middle a little bit and go to the side, that's it. And now we're going to draw a line that goes up like that. Good job. And then another one next to it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then stop here.
That's it. Perfect.
It's not really going like a V.
Yeah, it's not exactly like a V, but we also gonna add a little rounded bit to the top. And now we're gonna draw his ears on the other side. So let's draw.
From here?
Yep. And we go out the other direction.
Stop.
Yep. Oh, that's the wrong way. You're supposed to go that way. That's okay. You can draw, maybe just draw another line over there. It's all right if we make mistakes because we're practicing.
Yeah.
Good job. And now I'm going to draw that line too. And again, we're going to draw a nice big round bit for the top of his ear. I've got one big ear and one small ear. That's all right. Okay. Next thing we're going to do is we can now open our folding surprise.
Now to make the...
Now we're going to draw our Easter bunny. But first we need to finish these lines. So we're going to bring these lines down. Extend them down a little bit. Like that. And then on the other side too, each side. You got it. Okay, actually draw this one down a little bit here. That's the line you want to try come follow. And then in the middle, you can draw a little line across. Good job. All right, and now
it's like a headband.
It looks like a headband, like yours. All right, now we're gonna draw Easter Bunny's head. So we're gonna draw kind of like the letter C. So can we draw from here? We're gonna go around in a big C and come back down.
So you start from here and then we stop from here.
Yeah, and draw out like a circle.
Where does the curve go?
A little bit here. Try to draw it without a reference point.
I don't want to.
You want to do a you like your reference points. Yeah, okay, bring your paper in a little bit more. That's it. Can you draw that? You can draw how you like to, and then curve it down. That's it, and then in. Good job. All right, and let's do the same on the other side. That's it. All right, now we're gonna draw our Mr. Easter Bunny's nose. So let's draw within in the middle. We're gonna draw a little line like that.
Here.
Yep. And now let's draw a V connecting those two points of the line. And now let's draw some nice big eyes for Mr. Easter Bunny.
Over here.
Yep. And let's draw on the other side. Yep. Good job. I'm going to actually make mine a little bit bigger. Right, and let's give him some highlights in his eyes so they're nice and cute. Good job. And we'll color in Easter Bunny's eyes. You are doing a great job so far. Great work. Are you ready for the next bit? We're going to finish our Easter Bunny's ears. So we're going to draw a little line between the two ears, but not touching each other. See what I did there? Good job. And then we're going to follow the line that goes all the way around his ears, but a little bit on the inside.
The nose looks like a baby chick.
Oh, yeah, it does look like a baby chick.
It doesn't matter if you touch the line.
No, we're just going to try and keep it in the middle. But you've done an awesome job there. All right, next thing we're going to do is we are going to draw the two curves that come down towards the sides of his body. So from this point here, we're going to draw a curve that comes down to the top of our Easter egg basket. So we're going to come down and in like that.
Okay.
Yeah. That's perfect line. And then
like a dress.
Like a dress. Let's go on the other side too. Amazing. And we're going to draw our Easter Bunny holding our favorite thing, which is Easter eggs. All right. Before we do that, I forgot to draw Mr. Easter Bunny's mouth. So two little lines, kind of like a cat and dog mouth. Perfect. Okay, next thing we're going to do is we're going to draw Easter egg here in the middle. But we're going to draw two arms from Mr. Easter Bunny, just like that. Go inside a little bit more to here. Good job. And on the other side, come bring it in a bit more. Perfect. Okay, and then from here, we're going to draw a big loop that comes just under his mouth and back down.
Okay.
Yep. Then back down. Good job. And then we're going to continue his arms a bit more. This is for the bottom line of his arms. Yep. That's it. And then let's join these two lines with a curve on either side. You got it. And then let's draw the bottom of our Easter egg. But remember, don't go past this line. You've done perfect there. You know what you're doing. Good job. Amazing. Now let's draw the bottom of our Easter egg basket. So I'm just going to make my line a little bit longer on each side. But you don't make it a little bit longer there. Awesome. And then let's draw a little curve.
Nearly done.
Good job. I'm gonna make mine a little bit bigger. Okay, and now what we can do is turn our paper sideways, and we're gonna draw a straight line going all the way down that runs parallel with that line, but we're gonna connect those two. So
It looks like a stacked up bunny.
it does look like a stacked up bunny.
But I'm standing on yours.
Oh, that was a wonderful line. You did that so fast. And then let's draw two lines coming down, and this is the bottom of our basket. Good job. And then we can join these two. I'm gonna put a little curve in mine. I'm gonna draw a straight line again all the way across. And we have done our super cute Easter bunnies in a picnic basket, and all we have left to do is color. You can decorate your Easter eggs however you like. You can add some more Easter eggs and use the colors that you like. You ready to color in?
Yeah.
High five. Boom. All right, let's color. Alright Summer, we have drawn our super cute Easter folding surprises. Are you ready to show everyone what they look like?
Yes.
Alright, I'm gonna count to 3 and then we're gonna say Happy Easter. Alright, 1, 2, 3. Boom! Happy Easter! Well, we have done some super cute Easter bunnies in our picnic basket, and we decorated our drawings how we like to do. I love your rainbow egg, looks super cute. What do you think of mine?
I like yours too.
It's amazing, and it's okay that they don't look exactly the same. What matters is we had fun and we decorated everything the way we like to do it. High five for you, amazing job. Well, I hope you all enjoyed that video, and thanks for following along with us, and always check out our channel to see more fun videos. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye everyone.
Bye.
High five. Yeah, well done.